when we wanna come closer. Don't tell a million.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Loc Jewelry Spotlight. My name is Tiffany, I'm your host, and I'm the owner and designer of Tiffany's Loc Jewels. I just wanted to do a quick demo today on how you can don your loc jewelry with my Loc Jewelry Applicator. I have this extra long one right now because I had used it to don this long piece, but I wanted to demonstrate how to don with the ones that are the typical size that I normally use. This particular jewel is called Diamond Shimmer, and there's actually another piece that's similar to this that's black, it's dark. I'll probably try to don it in the next video. But anyways, I'm going to show you how to do it. You're going to slide it through like this, okay? And then you're going to find the correct lock that you want to use to don it with. So I'm going to pick this one right here. Then you're going to sandwich your lock in between these little hooks, the little hook, and then you're going to slowly bring it through all the way down. Just like that, right? Now, there you go. And I'm going to slide it up. And as you can see, it's not going to go anywhere. You want to choose a lock that is semi-tough. You know that it's really tough. The jewel's not going to fall off. But if you're insecure about that, you can slowly like twist these a little bit, like your lock around it. And then you can pinch these sides. The top here, you can pinch it down and pinch this side down. And that way it's even more secure. And it just depends on how long you want to wear the piece. If you want to wear it like compact or if you wanted to wear it like extended. And so here's how this one looks in my hair. Like I said, this one's called To the Nines. This one is Scenic route. And it's a slim thick, it's a thicker wire, and it's a pretty popular, all the slim thicks are pretty popular pieces. Anyways, I'm going to do another one really quick for you. This is hand-picked peacock blue. It's a pearl, freshwater pearl, and it has a cuff, so it's a little different. So I'm going to stick it through like this, and I'm going to find another lock to don it with. Let's choose this one right here. And you're going to sandwich this through just like so, right? Make sure it's on there good enough. And then you're going to bring it through the hole gently and pull it like that. And there you have it. See? Slide it up. And here you have your pearl. Now, in order to take them off, you're going to slowly pull them down. Like, you're going to hold your lock here, right, like this, okay? And then you're going to slowly pull it off like this. And when you're doing it, you're going to hold the lock, you know, squeeze it here and gently pull here. If you're concerned about the locks like stretching or something, you can kind of like take your fingers before you pull it and like just do kind of a gentle little palm roll, and then you can just slowly bring it down and out. So when you choose the lock, it shouldn't be super thick where it's going to get stuck there for life. It should be semi-slick, like you should be able to move it. Like this one right here, you see this? It's not falling anywhere. It's not going to do anything. Doesn't matter what I do. I could do this. I could do whatever I want with it. But if I want to slide it up, look how easy that is. It's easy to slide up and down. So that's the type of lock. That's how you know it's on the right size lock. And locticians, when you're doing this with your clients, you know, just try to see what lock they want it on. But you may also have to use your discretion and say, I think this is a better lock to don the jewelry on, you know, and just use your, you know, your clinical judgment, you know. But that's pretty much it. Stay tuned for the next video and I will show you how I don more silver loc jewelry. Bye.